You passed us. All right, we pulled up to Mikey and Mel's, bro. You already know. Waiting on Andrew Dingus. It's pollen. This looks clean though.
Yeah.
Obviously not a part of the show because I'm not cool yet. But all right, let's go. Got the parachute. Holy.
It's a carbon bucket. See.
Oh, carbon. Oh wow, it is. Bro, it's like no one else is riding in my car.
Yeah. Oh, dude, look at this. Look at the salt back there.
This is crazy too. This is where all the money sits.
Oh my god, dude.
All the money.
Dude, look at that BMW. Oh, dude, the Cobra. You saw the Cobras that we see. Oh my god. The radar gun out? Oh my god.
Look at the science.
Yeah.
20 foot.
What?
There's no wire. That's sick.
I need them to be CG.
Huh?
Need no wires.
Oh yeah. I think.
Yo. That is insane. That is insane. Yeah, this is insane. Oh.
Car went up here too. Whole front end.
The whole front?
Front end. Whole front end.
Gosh.
Is a replacement. 1 of 10.
1 in 10?
1 of 10.
Wow. Insane. This is the M4, right?
Where it started.
Yeah.
It's unlocked. Change stage 3. Catalyst down. Hatch pop up all the way back. 3-inch valves. Puts about. I think it's, if I remember, it's like 742 put out last time.
Damn. Okay.
That's a nasty wide body kit though. It is.
Yeah, it's crazy. Viper's always mine. With the venomous plate. It's the style.
Holy crap, dude. That's like 5.
Yeah. It's crazy, man. Alright. Moving on. Look at that interior. Oh my gosh. Look at this Murcielago. Look at the interior. Look how clean it is on them. Look at that. That is so clean.
Dude.
Murcielago.
Dude, look at the shit. I
don't know how to pronounce it. Murcielago. Something like that.
Murcielago.
But it's so clean.
That's like a.
Yeah, this thing.
Oh, my bad.
And you got the Aventador.
One heck of a thing to walk.
Right? Oh my gosh.
Dude. I'm a beast guy, so. Beautiful. Thanks, man. Just first build.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh my god.
That is nutty.
V16, V12.
V6.
Look at this.
Yo. What's going on, bro? That's a. 911 Turbo S. I like the 911 series. Yeah.
There are some sick cars.
So far there's a lot of insane cars.
A lot of expensive.
Yeah, dude. That M4 comp, full with the full carbon end. Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's a cool car.
Little mirrors.
If I could pay my car,
So tiny. Huh?
that's the clean color.
Oh yeah, then this is the. Oh yeah. Love these things.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the rabbit here. Another rabbit.
Well, that's another big one. That's another big one. Maybe, actually.
No, it is.
And then that other thing's the downslope somewhere. I've based that on.
Wow. This is so clean.
Charity row. These folks.
GTS?
I driven that Forza.
Huh?
I driven that Forza.
Yeah, buddy.
They were here. Yeah, the 370Z.
Oh yeah, it was this one. Okay. Yeah, dude, that's insane. Yeah, this thing was cutting up on the highway in front of us. Not gigantic fire truck. This is cool.
Like a PTV drive.
That's cool. But I don't really know Maseratis.
Flying a lot harder than that. You turn that. The license plate said Batman. He did one all the way from down there to here.
See it a little bit. I don't know if it really see it
Oh
on
my
camera,
gosh,
but-
that is so. This
Woo!
was
That smells
I don't know if you
good.
can see it on camera, but there's burnout and shit. Oh, here's the end.
Oh.
Yes.
yeah.
Oh.
Ooh.